to another episode of Let's Get Back. And today we'll be making a one-pan breakfast. For this you will need eggs, toast, sausage, bacon and mushrooms. So next we're going to cook the mushrooms. You cut stalk off, you cut your mushrooms in half, then you cut them in half again. So preheat your cast iron pan in your Roccbox so we can cook all the food. So we're just loading on all the stuff. My dad's doing this, if you notice heavy arms, because of the cast iron pan is really hot. Be careful. And here that bacon, sausage, it's all sizzling. Because in the morning, there's nothing like a good breakfast. So my dad's just getting this into the Roccbox. There you go. It's cooking. So we're getting the toast into the Roccbox. So that's, there you go. Next, you got to turn it over to make sure one of the sides doesn't burn. So this is the toast done. This is what it looks like when it's done. This is the taste test. So first we'll go for some toast. Good toast. Next, we'll have some sausage. Last sausage. Bit of bacon. Of that, I'm just going to add some egg. Good egg. The rating is 10 out of 10. If you want some more, click like, subscribe and hit the bell. Bye and enjoy your Roccbox breakfast.